I know most of you guys, but not everybody here. So the concept for the show was shadow puppetry done by jewelers. Jewelry kind of lends itself to meticulous cutting and precision, and so it just seemed like this was a really good other creative outlet for us. And then we're also going to have banjo playing by Aaron Shea. He's a singer-songwriter, and he just published a book too that is about setting up basement shows. So both musical, art, other different types of basement shows. So he has a couple books with him too. So he's going to start us off. Aaron Shea.
Hi. How are y'all doing this afternoon? It's still technically afternoon, isn't it? To get things off, can I get y'all to howl for me? I saw a couple of stragglers there. So can you howl for me? Now can you howl for me when I sing At the House of the Moon? Very good, very good. So this is a song about house shows, because I've played a lot of house shows in my time, and that's why I wrote a book about it called The House Show Handbook. You can find me after the show and buy it. Meet me at the house of the moon, where memories are lingering. It doesn't matter if you've got any money, just come prepared to drink and sing. It's on the north side of town, just across from the reservoir. Travel by bus or travel by bike, just forget about your car. When the homebrewers roll up, that's when we'll kick off this show. $10 gets you a beer bottle, pint glass, then let the good taste flow and flow until all of the growlers are empty and the folk bands play their last, and the revelers are deliriously weary, and the final vote is cast at the house of the moon. Yes! I hope that we play again soon at the house of the moon. I hope that we play again soon. That was just the first test. You'll get another opportunity at the end of the song. All proceeds go towards a good cause. Nobody's getting rich tonight, but some of us are getting pretty damn toasted. Everyone is gonna be alright. Captain America's gonna have his revenge upon the mermaid and the serpent. The smugglers will be singing their anthem. Our hearts and minds may be broken or bent, but there's no denying the magic of a house show at its height. No one's getting turned away. Everyone is gonna be alright. No one's getting turned away. Everyone is gonna be alright. So this next song is a new one. I just wrote it today. Nobody's getting rich tonight at the house of the moon. I hope we play again soon. Last chance at the house of the moon. I hope we play again soon. I hope we play again soon. Thank you.
Three, 2, 1.
This is a new and strange environment at first, just suddenly finding yourself in orbit.
I wanna go faster, faster. Hands in the air, we're gonna crash. Such a bug answers my Galileo through his looking glass. That's Parisian. Our dreamer's eyes we gaze into a sense of purpose, not like you. Like finding water on the moon.
Roger, 0G, and I feel fine. Capsule is turning around.
Houston, Tranquility Base here. The Eagle has landed. Wheel stop.
Roger, wheel stop. Discovery, welcome back. A great ending to the new beginning.